What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another installment of Lee Kicks. Today we got a very special shoe that was released this month. Actually, I went on the sneakers app for my first time with this shoe. It is the Jordan 11 Jubilee, as you guys have probably already seen in the thumbnail. But let me just preface all this. I know you guys are probably used to seeing my channel deal with cars and my car pretty much, but I do also do shoe reviews on my channel as well. So this is what this is. So if you're here for car content, this is not that. This is purely just a shoe review on this Jordan 11. So with no further ado, let's get on with the review. Alright, so here we go. Brand new box for this Jordan 11 we've never seen before. It opens pretty cool. I'm glad they did something different, but yeah, we've got a gray, silver, and black box for this Jordan 11 Jubilee. So this is to commemorate 25-year anniversary of Jordan brand. So as you guys know, there's always a Jordan 11 that gets released in December and everyone goes crazy for it. This is that shoe. There's actually another self-lacing Jordan 11 that I'm not spending $500 on. But yeah, anyways, Jordan 11 Jubilee, opening it up. That's how the box opens. Let me show that to you guys one more time because I kind of did that off camera. So just flip this tab up. And boom, one side opens, and then another tab. So right off the bat, they do have a different type of shoe tree, or not shoe tree, paper. It says just a Jordan symbol, and then I believe it says 2020, 1995 through 2020. So just to show the lineage. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, hopping right into it. Ooh, I have not worn these yet. I did try them on. But yeah, got an all black Jordan 11 with some silver hints. These are really dope. We'll start off with just looking right here. You got your ballistic mesh, of course, on your Jordan 11. Some good patent leather right here. Nice shiny leather as well. Let's see here. Got your carbon fiber plate on the bottom. Get a good look at that. Jordan right there. Now my favorite part of this shoe, these kind of remind me of my my black flip 3s. If you guys want to do your Googles on that shoe, it kind of reminds me of that shoe. Same colorway, black with silver. But the silver Jumpman right here, this is actually made out of metal. This is probably my favorite part of the shoe. But this right here is metal. So it's a nice little touch hint right there. Normal laces. Another awesome thing that they put right here on the tongue. This is leather right here. And then also you got another Jumpman in silver. Something they did different than any other Jordan 11 that I've seen is they added the Jordan right there as well on the eyelids. But all in all, it's a pretty dope shoe. 23 on the black and silver as well. I'll show you guys the other side. So one thing to note is some Jordan 11s, they don't have the Jumpman going in the same direction. So, but these ones do, so you don't have to worry about that. The Jumpman should be jumping forward in my eyes, I believe. And there's the other one jumping forward, so yeah. Let's see, let me check the inside. So one thing I don't like about this Jordan 11 is that the shoe tree that they do provide is the cheap fucking cardboard one. And I know most of us with Jordan 11s are used to the plastic shoe tree that matches the actual colorway. But they give us this cheap shoe tree. Hopefully this isn't a new thing that they're gonna start doing, because nah Nike, this ain't it. Nah Jordan, this ain't it, fam. Hell to the nah. Then on the inside, you got 25 right there, so just the 25th anniversary. But yeah, all in all, Jordan 11 Jubilee. Is this a cop for you guys? Is this a not for you guys? Were you guys able to score on the sneaker app? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on feet, let you guys get a closer look, see how they stack up, and then I'll give you my closing statements. Alright, so my closing statements for these shoes, definitely a cop. You gotta cop the 11 in December. I mean, it's an automatic cop. People go crazy over these shoes. Shoot, right now the retail is actually not too bad. There wasn't a lot of hype on these shoes, which is a great thing. I hate fucking not being able to buy shoes because there's so much fucking hype behind it. People just want to make money off of it. But I think you can probably cop these maybe about 300 now. I mean, that's not too crazy. I got these for retail, 220 through the app, but the resale isn't too crazy. So I mean, I say this is an 11 that is good for the collection, and no other 11 is like it. What other 11 comes with a metal Jumpman? No other 11 is like that. So definitely cop. But yeah, you guys let me know in the comments below. Is this a cop? Is this a not? Is it something you would rock? Is it something you're gonna resell off rip? Like, let me know in the comments. But until next time, guys, Lee Kicks out.